Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, our channel that features only the craziest moments caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a heated road rage between two pickup truck drivers. One of them got out of his car and approached another vehicle, trying to slam it. Check this one out. Instead of focusing at the road ahead, one driver was texting and driving, and as a result, he caused a minor rear-end accident. A reckless biker was breaking the speed limit and dangerously swerving in and out of traffic, putting himself and others at risk. Driver that's in the oncoming lane doesn't have good road awareness, and because of that, he hit a curb. Even though pedestrians have the right of way at crosswalks, some drivers completely ignore them, and such is the case in this video.
Official partner of Jingle Ball. With no fees or minimums and no overdraft fees, banking with Capital One is the easiest decision in the history of decisions. Even easier than choosing to keep the Grinch away from the car. Who's going to deliver the toys to the kids? What about me? No. Yep, even easier than that. Still with the Grinch one time. With no fees or minimums and no overdraft fees, is it even a decision?
Watch out!
There was plenty of room behind the camera, and this crazy driver decided to cut across white lines to make the on-ramp. This crazy driver cut across the entire road without bothering to check his side mirrors. I don't think he's even sure what's the purpose of them. Check this one out.
Paper bag in the studio, yeah, because the theme of the economy this summer is spending. Let me say that again, a really surprising amount of spending.
So we thought we should jump in and spend some money too. So we went shopping and we picked up some of the things that Americans are buying right now to help paint a picture of
Are you
what's
shitting
going
me?
on in the economy.
Excellent. You brought loot. Okay, what do you
Yes.
did you bring?
All right. Let's start with this Reese's peanut butter cup.
Oh yes.
The big one, and some Coke to wash it down. Would you like a Coke, Mary Louise?
No, but I will take those Reese's. Pass them over.
Here you
My
go.
favorite. Here,
I'm
throw.
gonna throw the
You have
two
brought me
companies
these why?
that are making these products, Hershey and Coca-Cola, were among many that basically sang praises to shoppers.
Much risk. And you're gonna get there no Alright, here's the deal. We're gonna hook you up. We're gonna give you every dollar.
Even though this driver is driving a smart car, the move he made was far from smart. This van driver is about to make a left turn from the wrong lane, and that decision forced another driver to slam on his brakes, and an accident was barely avoided.
Current loop video is now locked. Current loop video is now locked. Current loop video is now locked.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on OnDashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, the purpose of this channel is to make you learn simply by observing the mistakes. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.